We are at the Fairfax County Courthouse, and the event that's taking place today is our Shop with the Sheriff event, where we take children who reside in emergency shelters to Target to shop for items they need to start the school year off right. So once the kids arrive, we will partner up with them. They will be assigned a staff member to do games with, to get to interact, to engage. So our partners, the Shelter House, we've been partners for 30-some years. And of course, we have Paisanos, who has been an amazing partner, who always provides lunch for the children. Burke is another partner with us. And then, of course, we have a new partner this year, and that's Blower. And Blower has been very generous in donating money, which will help in the purchase of items that are needed for the school year.
Shelter House is a private nonprofit organization here in Northern Virginia, serving people experiencing domestic violence and homelessness. So many of our kids in our society take for granted the first days of school, where they're going shopping with their parents and getting all the school supplies they need and all the clothes that they need. I remember going to school and picking out my outfit for the first day of school and wearing my new shoes for the first day of school. And I'm getting chills thinking about it, because that's what this event allows these children to do, is have that same exact dignity that every child deserves on their first days of school.
This is our best event, and to be able to take children to, shop for items that they need to start the school year off right, but also the opportunity to engage with them and to let them know that we are here as their friend and we are here to support them, and it's just going to be a great day.